Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I would like to deliver information about B.Ed first year, first semester, biology, pedagogy of a school subject, biological science and physical science, social science. In that, nature of science is common nature of science and society is common topics. Nature of science first unit. In that nature of science, a few points we discussed in the previous class. Remaining I am going to discussing. Here one of the formula I told na, SP prettier TS. S, science is systematized body of knowledge. P, science promotes curiosity. Next one, SP Prits. P means science is particular way of looking at the nature. Next one, R, science as a rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Science is dynamic, ever expanding body of knowledge, covering new domain of every experiences. Knowledge refers to product of science such as concepts and explanations. Knowledge refers to product of science such as concepts and explanations. Research being carried out in the science field. Here it results developing more knowledge at a faster pace, sometimes by replacing old concepts, old theories, old hypotheses, whatever it may be. It fills new concepts and new theories. The technological developments took place in recent times. Enhanced acceleration of knowledge. Technological recent advancements replace nowadays, and here we are getting more knowledge. Whatever it may be, if it anything wrong in the previous knowledge, it will replaces old concepts, old theories, and replaces new concepts and new theories. It removes old concepts and old theories, and it replaces new concepts and new theories. Next one, science is interdisciplinary area of learning. Interdisciplinary area of learning. Here, science. Previously is there na, science is rapidly expanding body of knowledge. In that you have to draw human head, and you have to whatever new inventions, new discoveries are there na, that all you have to draw in a picture form. Science is an interdisciplinary area of learning. With today's evolving science and technology, there is a desperate need of expanding science education. In the last 2 decades, there have been studies claiming that science is becoming even more a interdisciplinary area of learning. Science cannot be taught in isolation. It is interconnected series. All branches of science are interdependent upon each other. That's why science is an interdisciplinary area of learning. There are number of principles here common. We are seeing facts, concepts. These are common in various science subjects. Science is an interdisciplinary area of learning. Science cannot be taught in isolation. It is connected with each other. Knowledge started expanding day by day. Scientists starting specialization in certain areas by organizing knowledge into different disciplines. For example, environmental science. It is a interdisciplinary area. Why? Because environmental science, it includes physics, biological science, chemistry, and information science, including biology, ecology, physics, chemistry, zoology, mineralogy, limnology, soil science, etc. It is an interconnected series. Environmental science, it connects all other branches. For example, we have to take an tree. Tree have so many branches now, like that every one subject, like physics one branch, chemistry one branch, mineralogy, geology one branch, like that. These are all science. It is an interdisciplinary area of learning. Okay, science is a trunk. One tree is there. The trunk is science, means that all branches are different subjects. It is an interdisciplinary area of learning. Biology and physical science. First one, biological mechanisms can be explained based on physics. Okay, in our body, we are a living organism. We have life. Okay, any animals, plants, whatever it may be. Here, so many activities are going on. For example, food preparation plants, photosynthesis, one of the activity na food preparation, and in our body also energy releasing, mitochondria is releasing our body energy, metabolic activities, catabolic activities, so many activities are going on in our body. Here reactions will be happen. For example, we are seeing any image, whatever it may be, it's kind of biology connected with the physics, biology and physical science. These mechanisms explained based on principles of physics. For example, structure of eye, whatever we are seeing, that image, beautiful garden, whatever it may be, nice scenery view, whatever we are seeing. So it's depends upon principles of physics. Okay, we are seeing. So like our eyes, like in cameras, seeing means that image will reflect, and here this all reflections, this all are physics, principles of physics. So here it is an biology is an biology and physics, interdisciplinary area. Science, structure of eye, its functioning, microscope, which helps in minute parts in our eyes contain rod cells, cone cells. These are all are there. With the help of microscope, we can learn more information. Minute parts also we will see easily with the help of microscope, like crystallography, radiothermic isotopes, etc. Biology and physical science. These biological mechanisms explained based on principles of physics. Next one, biology and geology. Biology and geology. The vast diversity of biological organisms is due to adaptation to the climatic and geographical conditions. Climatic factors and geographical conditions at the different habitats. These are biological organisms. Adaptations to the climatic and geographical conditions. Geographical conditions, one place in cool, one place in hot, one place in semi-hot, like that is there, geographical conditions. Here organisms are showing some adaptations. For example, camels in the desert. Next one, bears in the Arctic and Antarctic regions, etc. These are the examples. Next one, biochemistry. Biology and chemistry. The process of food digestion, chemicals used in fertilizers, structure and functions of enzymes, amino acids, proteins, etc. These are all reveals the interdependence of reactions. Biology and chemistry. Next one, biology and history. The origin and development of science and biology has a long history. The present theories, whatever hypotheses, whatever principles, concepts, that are all are nothing but roots in the past. Okay, first of all, so much struggle, so much information, so many decades it takes taken by the so many scientists. They did so much contribution to the science. That's why nowadays we are easily enjoying whatever it may be, that products, fields such as medical, physical sciences, chemical sciences. These are all are some valid proof of for the interdisciplinary area of learning. Science and chemistry, biology and chemistry, biology and physics, biology and geography, biology and chemistry, biology and history. Science as a truly international enterprise. Men and women of all countries participate in the progress of science and its applications. Most big projects are undertaken by the teams of scientists drawn from many countries. This is because the human and financial resources needed for the most big projects are beyond the reach of any single country. International collaboration in most projects in order to the day. Science does not belong to any single country or a group of countries. Science is truly international enterprise. Men and women all are participate in the country's progress. They are conducting big projects. So we require so many financial resources. This science, it is not belongs to any one country or a group of all together. Whenever new evidences are there, either are a new experimental observations or a new theoretical development. Scientific theories always are tentative. Scientific theories always are tentative. For example, if any one scientist they are saying means it is correct or not, so many different people are they are checking. Again, it will be, if any mistakes are there, it will be replaced by the new concepts and new theories. That's why science here always tentative. Scientific theories are always tentative. Example: Lamarck use and disuse theory that explains inheritance of acquired traits lost its importance when Darwin came up with his evolutionary theory stating that evolution or change within species is driven by animate inner drivings towards greater perfection. Mark use and disuse theory that explains inheritance, first of all, lost its importance when Darwin's came up with his evolution theory. Evolution theories came up with his evolution theory. This clearly gives the idea about the tentative nature of science. Tentative nature of scientific theories, it takes decades of their development. Here scientists did more contribution for these theories. When two competing theories explained their observations related to a certain phenomena, scientists prefer to accept theory which explains larger number of observations with a few assumptions. There was a time, for example, here geocentric theory and heliocentric theory. Okay, here few of decades they have followed one of the theory. Afterwards, if anyone scientist are explained clearly means they will follow new theory like that. Na? Here geocentric theory and heliocentric theory. These are explained all planetary observations. However, geocentric theory had to introduce new assumption every time. On the other hand, a heliocentric theory have only one assumption, that all the planets revolve around the sun. It explained every available observation and eventually survived. Heliocentric theory and geocentric theory. Here heliocentric theory have only one assumption, but geocentric theory have more assumptions. Heliocentric theory means sun is middle. Geocentric theory means middle, earth is middle. Like that na here all are accepted this heliocentric theory na. The facts remain scientific theories are tentative and all subject modified to subject to change. These are tentative nature of scientific theories. First of all, with the ignorance, whatever it may be, some of the theories, some of the concepts will be followed by the people. Afterwards, new scientists will come and replaces old concepts and old theories. If it anything wrong is there, means they will prove and they will forms new theory and new concept. Means it replaces the old concepts and old theories. These are the tentative nature of scientific theories. Next one, science promotes skepticism. Skepticism means doubtful. Here in science, keeping an open mind is virtue, just not so open that brains fall out. Just not opens that brains fall out. According to James Oberg. According to James Oberg. In science, keeping in an open mind is virtue. If it just open, that your brains fall out. That your brains will fall out. Science is what scientists do. Scientists are highly skeptic people. Scientists look at everything with a suspicion, doubtful. Okay, every new observation, new theory, a new concept is received with a lot of skepticism. It leads to a lot of debate among scientists. For example, any PhD holder is submitting any project. So many arguments, so many questions. If it that all clarify that questions, whatever it may be, then only it will be accepted by the all people. If it any answer, it will be not giving good answer, not given good explanation, it will be rejected like that na. A scientific product in the form of theory or concept or principle, whatever it may be, cannot be established unless it is retested or re-verified by the few people or group of people or individual people, etc. na. A new observations have been checked by independent individuals or groups at various places with identical results. Similarly, a new theory will be accepted when theoretical classic information will be coming na, that will be rechecked by the various people. Example, first of all, see, two scientists shared the Nobel Prize in Physiology in 2004. They submitted na, again they are taken back their papers, whatever they are submitted, again they are taken back their papers. After they fail to repeat their whatever their reported results are, if they will fail means it will be rejected. So it does not matter, even the Nobel laureate, whatever it may be, if it whatever they are submitted in that paper, that same results it should be coming the next even group of scientists or group of people or individual people, whatever it may be, they will again verified, retested, again that same identical results it will become. It will be not came that identical results, it will be cancelled. Even Nobel laureates also, one can either copy or copy the findings. They don't copy the same findings, okay, nor they should justify the observations, justify their observations. The work of scientists is thus left open all sorts of criticism and suspicion. This is all about science promotes skepticism. If this point will come in a question means you can elaborate more information. This information also I given in a previous video. Okay, you can check that information. If you want, you can copy the information. This is all about nature of science. Okay, here science splits A, TS. Science is a systematized body of knowledge. Science promotes curiosity. Science is a particular way of looking at the nature. Science is rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Science is an interdisciplinary area of learning. Science is a truly international enterprise. Science is always tentative nature of scientific theories. Science promotes skepticism. These are the nature of science, very very important. If you want more updates, you can like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. Bye.